So here we have the Vauxhall Corsa SRI on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you'll see you've got plenty of space in there. The rear seat will fold down as one complete unit as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. At the bottom in the middle, you can see the total miles for this car, which are 22,388. The information that's displayed above that can be changed using the controls on the indicator stalk. You can have a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. The fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge then appear in the middle at the very top there. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we've got cruise control and speed limiter. And on the right-hand side, we have stereo controls and phone controls, including voice activation for the phone. You can only use that after such time as you've paired the phone up, which is done on the central touchscreen under the phone icon just there, and then just search device and follow the instructions on screen. When it comes to music in this car, you've got plenty of ways of listening to that. We have AM, FM and DAB radio, as well as USB input, and also Bluetooth audio as well. So once you pair your phone, not only can you make and receive phone calls, but you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. You can also connect up your smartphone via its USB cable and project certain Vauxhall friendly apps onto the screen. As you can see, nothing is connected at the moment, obviously. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So you can select the temperature, fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed. The air conditioning is on when the lights within that button show, so off or back on again. That button will recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature that you set on this dial, and you can turn that off just as easily and with a rear heated screen. Under this flap here, we have a 12-volt charging socket, the USB input that I mentioned a moment ago, and then a 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.